Okay.
In the series.
Higher.
Come on, let's go over 2 gigs.
Higher. 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 Yeah, no, I don't like that. Let's go lower. Lower. And lower. And lower.
Okay, discharge it and remove the...
Oh, you got the cable.
Yeah. Knife.
Discharge the other one as well.
Let's remove the...
I don't think... What one's the other one, does
Oh, you're gonna take the dimmer off. Where's that fucking electronic device then? Ah, muddy.
Are we testing again like that, in
Yeah.
that condition?
You gonna touch it again?
Okay. Not cleaning it, can you show me?
Why won't you work?
Try the button again. Yeah. Backlight.
It should be pressed before.
Oh, okay, stop.
Okay.
Zig.
I ain't going any higher than that.
What the hell?
Three gigs. One.
If you touch it again there.
Don't go too close.
I'm not intending to.
What the
So it's not the slimming,
No.
fucking
Right.
insulation.
It's still the it's still the contaminants actually on the insulating. Sorry, mechanical protection.
Yeah, mechanical protection there.
It's the mechanical protection.
In fact, I can vary it by actually altering the pressure on it.
Try it some other. No.
Giga. Giga ohms.
Giga. Not giga.
Jiggy jiggy.
Giga.
Giga ohms.
Mega ohms.
As soon as you get to where the mud is.
So let's remove the mud. I'll stop the video for now.